Hello, guys, and welcome to Crypto Talks. So, in today's episode of Altcoin Gems series, I'm gonna give you a full review about a blockchain project named Tfood, and I'm gonna give all the reasons why I think that this project gonna be huge returns in upcoming bull run. So, I'm gonna discuss the whole concept of this project, their team, and their past achievements and future updates. So watch this video till then without skipping any part, so you will be able to decide whether you should hold this altcoin or not. So this is the website of Tfood. So basic idea of the Tfood blockchain is that they provide farm to table food traceability on blockchain. So basically they have a app through which you can like scan the QR code. So basic concept of Tfood is that nowadays, as we see, there are many food adulterations and tampering of the data. So they provide a blockchain based traceability solution through their app. You can just scan their QR code of the food item, and you can get all the logistic information of the food product. For example, if you are scanning the QR code of non-veg item, you can get the slaughtering date and at which temperature they were stored, and from which distributor to which distributor it was transported, etc. So that and also you can check the authenticity of the product. So they also have a 2 minute video of explanatory video. So watch this video carefully to get a better understanding about tea food. So let me play this fast.
Farm to table food traceability ecosystem. According to the World Health Organization, 10% of us fall ill with a foodborne disease each year, causing 400,000 deaths. Food frauds around the world cost $40 billion annually. Most outbreaks and food frauds could be prevented by tracking livestock and food products from the farm to the retail. But connecting thousands of companies to exchange food information on a global scale is a huge task. Blockchain technology provides credibility for the data and scalability for a global transaction ledger. TE Food is a ready product with live operation. It serves more than 6,000 business customers, managing 400,000 transactions each day. TE Food follows 12,000 pigs, 200,000 chickens, 2.5 million eggs each day. Major food companies also use TE Food for their daily operations, several well-known brands amongst them. What makes TE Food unique? It's the only solution which integrates supply chain companies, consumers, and authorities into one ecosystem. Authorities have clear view on the food supply and get instant alerts in case of anomalies in the supply chain processes. The system helps them to enforce supply chains and to improve food safety. All information is logged to blockchain: animal profile, feeding, vaccination, use of antibiotics, veterinary checks, slaughter data, transportation, till consumers can read the QR codes on the food products with their mobile app and gain access to all information. TE Food makes the food supply transparent, fights off corruption in the food industry, mitigates the effects of food frauds and outbreaks, decreases the costs of food companies, restores the trust of consumers. TE Food. We have the right to know what we eat.
So guys, I hope you understood the all the project of Tfood. So checking about coin market cap, it ranks around 581 rank, and it is currently priced at 127 satoshi, and it has just 7 million market cap volume. So as you know that food traceability is the multi-trillion dollar industry, and so it is just 7 million. So there is huge growth for market, and it is right now available only on KuCoin exchange. So as soon as it gets listed on big exchanges, it gets recognition, the more volume will enter in this Tfood blockchain project, and price might increase. Moving forward, talking about their Twitter account, they have around 12,000 followers on Twitter account, and you can follow if you want to see their latest updates on Tfood blockchain. And I also want to show you a Medium article about what they achieved in Q3 and Q2 and Q3 of 2020. So moving down, adoption of blockchain-based traceability. During last 6 months, T-Food had food traceability implementation in multiple countries, as well as strong product development to widen scope of our traceability solution beyond food. So as we move down, the first milestone was also in Portugal launched food traceability by T-Food, and they have many plans to increase by the end of 2022. Next achievement is a GE Aviation and T-Food partner to improve efficiency of aviation industry supply chains with blockchain. So we will discuss this about this later in this video. So for you, you should know that GE Aviation is a digital group, a Forbes 50 blockchain company. Next achievement was that T-Food Lite app they launched to like just scan, as we saw in the video, they have to scan the QR code of food item and get all the logistic information, all the food history. So next achievement is like Ochen Romania implementation T-Foods blockchain-based traceability solutions. So started in France, then Italy, followed by Portugal. The program now continues in Romania. The first product is boxed fresh berries. According to plans, more products are and countries will follow soon. And the next one is the Trust One blockchain. So basically, they launched prior to, when the company launched this T-Food blockchain in 2017, they were just limited to food information and food blockchain. But nowadays, as the many opportunities, they have explored many more opportunities like in biosecurity and on all other GE aviation. So they launched new blockchain named Trust One with the goal to enable organizations to automate medical screening of employees, guests, and passengers to reduce the effects of COVID-19. Next is the best for fintech partnership with Witbank. Other news such as bioeggs from organic free range are based or provided with T-Food's blockchain traceability information in Auchan, France supermarkets. And T-Food is currently 15th largest blockchain on Blocktivity, and it had fifth largest transaction volume. T-Foods blockchain-based traceability solution implemented at Migros, the largest retailer in Switzerland, is featuring amongst GS1's case studies. So they are saying that they expect a more busier Q3 this year. Stay by following T-Food on Twitter for more updates. So this was all about their partnerships, achievements, etc. And let me show you this article which gives more information about why I think that T4 is like solving more problems of nowadays. So this article says that each year the CDC estimate 48 million people in United States alone get sick from contaminated food. As a result of this impact, the US Department of Agriculture estimates associated illness tend to cost the economy more than 15.6 billion annually. So all these illness occurs due to consumption of contaminated food or like tampered information on food products. So T-Food solve this problem by placing all this in food related information on blockchain, which is like tamper proof, so and easily trustable for consumers. So globally, the World Health Organization estimates contaminated food causes around 600 million illness annually and for 420,000 deaths. So you can pause this video and read this if you want to. In, so they are explaining that how this T-Food solved this problem by putting all the information on blockchain and thus building the trust between the consumers and suppliers. Ultimately, this will begin to build trust between producers and consumer, with T-Food believing that incorruptible food information history leads to transparent food supply chain, which can make a difference in public health and literally save lives. So yeah, this was all about this article, and below that they have mentioned the partnerships, the customers, which Ochen, Big C, etc., etc. This is another article which mentions that T-Food, Eurofin, and G Aviation cooperates to offer end-to-end COVID testing process So Eurofins is the like a great pharmaceutical company which is working in together uh, to reduce the effects of COVID-19 by keeping all the data on blockchain, on Trust One blockchain, which is like the another product of T-Food. Starting a new path. So in this article, they have mentioned that as T-Food blockchain will turn 2 years in November. By by that time, it will reach around 200 million blockchain operations and a huge number which position amongst 15 top 15 of blockchain around the world. So basically, they are explaining that at first they plan the food chain to be decentralized home for hundreds of million food products. But later, as they explored new opportunities, they partnered with GE Aviation and Eurofins to brought non-food use cases such as providing the test results of COVID-19 and tracking all the engine parts documents and keeping all the information on blockchain to available for all the users. So moving forward, this they are saying that instead of changing the logo, it is difficult because the T-Food is already a recognized brand in food industry and in many countries. In first step, the food chain is renamed as Trust Chain, whether it is food, livestock, documents, or parts. Trust chain reminds the people what our core mission is: build trust among parties. We believe that trust chain will need a shorter time to reach another 200 million blockchain operations. So this was all about the articles, and let me show you the website again. So this is the homepage of website. They are saying that 6,000 business customers, 400,000 operations per day, 150 million people served. So this is the marketing value transparency. So this is the website, and below down they explain how the full traceability works. So for the from farmer to processor to distributor to retailer and then to consumer, all this data is kept on blockchain, and they are explaining. And below, as we go below, we can see their customers like big names like Ochain, Gain Group, Vinamilk, Migros, etc., etc. So these are all their customers, how our customers use the food. So yeah, this is the photos of their customers and how they are using the app on. So let's see what is the mission of the T-Food blockchain. So quality assurance, sales channel insight, financing, traceability, consumer apps, short-term goals. They have mentioned their short-term goals: food traceability, asset tokenization, and consumer apps. So moving forward to blockchain, they have secure and scalable food traceability ledger. So they have explained how their food chain, that is their blockchain, how it works, and you can go on the blockchain explorer. How blockchain is used for supply chain. So in this diagram, as you can see, farm, processing, distributor, retail, consumer, all this data is given to blockchain for verification. Moving forward to they also offer a charity program. So currently, I don't know much about it, but they have mentioned that they have done two charity program in Vietnam and Laos to support the government to reduce the effect of African flu epidemic. So moving forward to solutions column of their website. So complete solution for all participants of food supply chain components. So as we move below, they have object identification, data capture, data storage, data processing, data presentation. So all this and how they all manage it. About us, so this is their team page. You can see the team members, the CEO, chairman, CMO, all are highly educated and high years of experience. That is 20 more than 20 years of experience. And this is all about their teams. And as we move below, they have mentioned all the partners with which they are working with. So partners are also huge, like big names. They have food FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations cooperates with T-Food in regards of blockchain solutions in official statistics for livestock sector. Zaleo Ilha Venture. So Zalo.me is a messaging mobile application with 70 million users. T-Food's QR code can be read by the Zalo app to view the food products history. And there are also many companies partnerships with companies which offer the halal food traceability option for our like Muslim friends. They have halal trade and tree food partner to provide special traceability solution to halal food companies on blockchain. So you can go on their website and check all these partnerships. So this was all about Tea Food guys and media coverage. They have below mentioned all the videos and photos on media coverages, etc., etc. You can check if you want to. So this was all about Tea Food guys. I hope you like this video and let me know in comments below what you think about this project T-Food, and also know me which altcoins you are holding and you believe in those altcoins, so that I will make a review video on them. And thank you for watching guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will be posting such videos of on altcoin and cryptocurrencies, other cryptocurrencies. So yeah, thank you for